students, how are you? I hope that you all will be fine, staying home and doing creative works at your home. On the behalf of Paramount Public School, today I am going to teach you our next topic which is related with writing section, and name of the topic is letters. There are two types of letter, formal and informal letter. So today we are going to discuss about their formats. Are you ready to learn? Let's start with our topic. Letters. Letters are a form of verbal and written communication which contains information or message sent by one party to another to convey the message. It is sent by one party to another to provide certain important information. There are two types of letter, formal letters and informal letters. Firstly, we will discuss formal letter. Formal letter. The formal letter is written for business or professional purposes with the specific objective in mind. It uses simple language that can be easy to read and interpret. Then informal letter. Informal letters are written to friends and relatives for personal communication and uses a casual or an emotional tone. This letter is written in a friendly manner to someone you are familiar with is called an informal letter. Format of formal letter. Format of formal letter includes the following points need to be taken into consideration while writing a format letter. First one is a formal letter strictly follows the prescribed format for writing a formal letter. A formal letter must be precise and to the point. The subject line is very important in a formal letter. Use of colloquial words, abbreviations and slang language should be restricted while writing a formal letter. So come to its format. First line sender address, then date, then receiver address, then subject, then salutation, then body of the letter. The matter of the letter is written into 3 paragraphs as follows. Paragraph 1. Introduce yourself and purpose of writing the letter in brief. Paragraph 2. Give detail of the matter. Paragraph 3. Conclude by mentioning what you expect. For example, a solution to your problem or to highlight an issue in the newspaper, etc. Then complimentary closing, and then sender's name, signature and designation. Now there are several types of formal letters, so we are going to discuss about their types. Types of formal letters are letter to editor, letter to the government or police, formal letter format to the principal like we usually write in our school, letter of order, complaint or inquiry letter, business letter, application letter for job, letter to the bank manager for opening or closing an account, invitation letter, resignation letter, leave application and leave application for marriage or maternity. Then came the turn of informal letter. Now there are also several types of informal letter like letter to parents, siblings, letter to classmates or neighbors and informal letter to friend. Informal letter also follows a format, but it is not as strict as the formal letter one. The following points need to be followed while writing an informal letter. An informal letter does not strictly follow the prescribed format. It means it doesn't follow any format. The language of an informal letter must be friendly and casual. An informal letter can have extra information also. The subject line is not required in an informal letter, as subject line is very important or compulsory or necessary in formal letter. So come to its format. First address, then date, then salutation, then body of the letter. Body of the letter will also include 3 paragraphs. First paragraph of beginning, second paragraph of main content, third paragraph of ending, and at last sender's name and signature. I hope that student you got the both format of formal and informal letter. In our next video we will discuss about some formal letters. Thanks for